Hey everybody, it's Mark Saunders, Saunders HOA. So I thought I would give you a real life example of the joys of HOA management. So I've got a community that we're managing, about 115 townhomes, and I've got about three people in there, three owners that no matter what we do, they're never happy, complain about everything, especially the landscaping. So this is a great example of what can happen. And if you're the one in your community always complaining about things, keep this in mind. So it's the time of year where we always renew our contracts for landscaping. Now, the landscaping at this community, like I said, out of 115 units, only about three people complain. Everybody else is very, very happy with it. And so we just got the updated new contract. So let me tell you the numbers. What we paid last year per month, $2,775 for the service at this community. Three people. Every time the landscapers are out there, they're out yelling at the contractors. They're getting on to everybody that's out there. They'll call us complaining that there was a limb left in the backyard or the leaves wasn't blown far enough into the woods. Again, everybody else in the neighborhood is happy, but here's their new contract. So it was $2,775. The new price, $3,550, an increase of, what was that, $775, 27% increase. And the majority of that is because the landscapers are tired of dealing with basically these three people. So these three people just caused their landscaping costs to go up over $9,000 a year. And there's the chance that this crew might just quit, which means we got to bring in a whole new crew, and we're going to have to get all new quotes for this and everything. It's going to be very hard to beat prices because this company has been out there for years. So keep that in mind. Also, we know it's just because of these homeowners, because this contractor does other properties for us, and we're not seeing anywhere close to the price increase that we're seeing in this community. So those three people just made their price really go up, and they're the same ones that are upset that the dues are having to increase every year because now we have more expenses. So wonderful world of HOA management. Thoughts, comments, leave them below. Love to see what your thoughts are on this one. Thanks.